Hello everyone, today's topic is clinical data auditing. Clinical data auditing or systematic evaluation of clinical data management CDM process and system to ensure the compliance with regulations and standards, and to identify areas for improvement. Audits can be conducted by internal teams, external consultants, or regulatory agencies. System audit. These evaluate the systems and processes used for collecting, storing, and managing clinical trial data. This may include the electronic data capture system, data management plans, and database validations and closures process. Data quality audits. This focus on the quality of the data itself, checking for accuracy, consistency, and completeness. This may involve the reconciliation of key data elements. Process audits. This evaluate the processes used for collecting, managing, and analyzing clinical trial data, including data entry, data cleaning, and database closure processes. Vendors audits. This evaluate the performance and compliance of external vendors involved in clinical data management, such as clinical data management companies or data management software vendors. Audits are an important aspect of clinical data management as they help to identify potential areas for improvement and ensure that the data is of high quality and in compliance with relevant regulations and standards. Conducting regular audits can also help to build trust in the data and increase confidence in the results of the clinical trial. Clinical data auditing is of importance in clinical data management CDM because it helps ensure that the data is high quality, meets regulations, and builds trust in the data and clinical trial results. Quality assurance. Audits helps identify areas for improvement and ensure data is of high quality. Regulatory compliance. Audit ensure that data is in compliance with relevant regulations and standards. Trust. Regular audits help build trust in the data and clinical trial results. Audit trails. Audit create a detailed audit trail of data reconciliation activities including data sources, transformations, and quality control procedures. Other aspects of clinical data management include data collection, ensuring the data is collected completely and accurately. Data security, protecting data from loss and ensuring security. Data integrity, ensuring data integrity and quality during the database transfer. Data representation, ensuring that the study database accurately represents the trial. Audit are an important aspect of clinical data management as they help to identify potential areas for improvement and ensure that the data is of high quality and it complies with relevant regulations and standards. Clinical data audits are a structural review process that help ensure the quality and integrity of clinical data. Identify areas for improvement. Clinical audits help identify areas where healthcare practices cloud be improved. Ensure compliance. Audit helps ensure that the data, the compliance with the relevant regulations and standards. Build trust. Regular audits help build trust in the data and increase confidence in the result of clinical trial. Protect participation. Audits help protect the integrity and confidential of study participants. Prevent poor care. Audit helps prevent poor care and ensure that the required standard healthcare is being adhered to. Audits are an ongoing process that should be repeated regularly to assess whether changes have been have been successful. Its importance for individuals and companies to ensure they are audits ready at all times. Thank you.